Welcome to Auto's Car Zone. Today we're bringing you an exciting feature on a true icon of the agricultural and industrial world, reimagined for the future, the 2025 Allis Chalmers Model G tractor. This classic machine has been reinvented to combine its legendary charm with cutting-edge innovation, all while maintaining the spirit of its original design. Whether you're a fan of vintage engineering or curious about how modern technology can enhance timeless creations, this is a video you won't want to miss. Let's start with the design of the 2025 Allis Chalmers Model G. At first glance, it's clear that this tractor has been meticulously crafted to honor its roots while embracing the aesthetics of the modern era. The yellow and black color scheme commands attention, giving it a bold, sleek appearance that feels both nostalgic and futuristic. The tractor's compact frame has been retained, making it ideal for small-scale agricultural use. But new elements like a high-strength steel frame and streamlined contours ensure it's ready for the challenges of today's farming needs. One standout feature of the updated design is the addition of an overhead glass panel. This not only enhances visibility for the operator, but also adds a touch of modern luxury to the classic machine. Imagine working in the field with a clear view of the sky above, combining practicality with an elevated experience. The glass panel, combined with its ergonomic seating and user-friendly controls, transforms the Model G into more than just a workhorse. It's a symbol of progress. Now let's talk about performance. The 2025 Model G is powered by an advanced electric drivetrain, making it environmentally friendly and efficient. The original Model G was known for its versatility and maneuverability, and the new electric motor takes these qualities to the next level. It delivers consistent power and torque, allowing the tractor to handle a variety of tasks, from plowing and planting to towing and maintenance work. Plus, the electric motor operates quietly, which is a game changer for those working in noise-sensitive environments or early in the morning. Charging the 2025 Model G is a breeze thanks to its integrated fast charging system. A full charge provides hours of reliable operation, and the built-in energy management system ensures optimal performance even during heavy use. For those who value sustainability, the tractor's electric engine significantly reduces carbon emissions compared to traditional diesel-powered machines, making it an eco-conscious choice for modern farmers. Of course, technology doesn't stop at the drivetrain. The 2025 Model G comes equipped with a fully digital dashboard, allowing operators to monitor performance metrics in real time. The touchscreen interface provides access to information like battery levels, speed, and operational efficiency, all at a glance. And for those who love a connected experience, the tractor features Bluetooth integration and compatibility with mobile devices, letting you control certain functions remotely or receive maintenance alerts on the go. Safety has also been prioritized in this redesign. The 2025 Model G includes a suite of modern safety features to protect both the operator and the environment. Enhanced stability controls and advanced braking systems ensure smooth operation even on uneven terrain. LED lighting has been added for superior visibility during nighttime use or low-light conditions, while cameras and sensors help with precision tasks like maneuvering in tight spaces or avoiding obstacles. Another remarkable update is the tractor's modular design, which allows for easy customization. Whether you need specialized attachments for planting, harvesting, or landscaping, the 2025 Model G is built to adapt. This flexibility is what makes it a standout in its class, appealing to a wide range of users, from small-scale farmers to hobbyists and restoration enthusiasts. What about the experience of owning such a unique machine? The 2025 Model G isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a conversation starter, a nod to history, and a showcase of innovation. Imagine having this tractor in a luxurious showroom setting, with its yellow and black paint gleaming under the lights, and the overhead glass panel reflecting the room's elegant design. It's not just a tool, it's a piece of art that pays homage to the past while looking boldly toward the future. For those interested in learning more or experiencing the 2025 Allis Chalmers Model G up close, the tractor is being displayed in luxury showrooms worldwide. These spaces are designed to reflect the sophistication of the machine itself, featuring modern decor, polished marble floors, and gold accents that elevate the experience. Whether you're a farmer, a collector, or simply someone who appreciates innovative design, the Model G is a testament to the enduring appeal of functional beauty. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on